This lady rear-ended me and accused me of backing up into her, then attempted to do a hit and run, but karma said no.
Rear. I don't know. You literally hit my car. Are you serious? What the fuck? Bro, you're literally over the curb! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're crazy! What's wrong with you? You hit my car! What are you doing? Oh my god, that is a real dog. That's a real dog. Oh my god. Hey!
What? What? What the?
Of the inner sea was a rocky, desolate, barren island.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Woo!
She don't wanna like you, no. Baby, I'm a big man here for the views. Bitches on my side, they be making on my move. Got a trip, alright, got Nike on the shoe.
Dude, your soda's on your car. Your soda's on your car.
Muchos dicen que estoy loco, que me la paso moteando. No es porque 7 días yo me la paso chupando.
What are you doing?
These niggas are tripping.
Oh my god.
I am driving a lifted Dodge Ram truck. My lifted Dodge Ram truck has blinding white LED headlights positioned exactly at eye level. I am currently tailgating you in the right lane, even though you're going 20 miles an hour over the speed limit and the left lane is open. There are Monster Energy and Fox Racing stickers on the rear windshield of my lifted Dodge Ram.